Okay guys, we are on phase 3 of our horse drawing in the Photoshop program, and this is the part where we put in all the finishing touches and final little accents. It's been sped up from 52 minutes to 1 minute and 41 seconds, so we'll get a little time to review what we did before. We had our midtones, a couple little highlights, and just basic coat color and body work after the sketch on the previous 2 phases. So let's click play on this and watch me go. So there's my color palette. I was explaining the color palette. These may be uploaded at a later date in the full-length format as a more advanced tutorial, and here I go over the differences in your opacity and the different colors you can choose that make a right or wrong decision in your drawing. And again, we're going over that there. So I explained how I like to do the muzzle separate from the brown coat colors, because it takes just a little bit of a different mental process. It's easier to stay in one color and deal with it, and then go to a separate set of colors and deal with it separately. So I like to do the markings on the side because of that. So here we go, the ears, little finagling there. The mane. This actually turned out, I was really happy with how fast the mane turned out for me. And the accent of the eye, it's really quite simple, quite fun to do equine eyes in this program. Highlights. And we're finished.